Looking for the perfect wall scanner to make your construction or DIY projects safer and more precise? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best wall scanners that every professional and DIY enthusiast should know about. Let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the R&D QT160 wall scanner. The R&D QT160 wall scanner is a versatile and advanced tool designed to simplify locating hidden structures behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Equipped with a smart sensor, this upgraded scanner can quickly identify studs, joists, metal, pipes, rebar, and live AC wires, providing users with accurate information to prevent accidental damage during drilling or installation. Its multi-function detection capabilities allow for precise measurements, with a center lock feature that ensures non-destructive scanning for more reliable results. Operating the QT160 is straightforward. Users can start by pressing the right button to enter the stud scan mode, then long press to switch to exact mode or deep mode depending on the required depth and precision. One of the standout features is its AC wire detection, which highlights live wires in all modes, reducing the risk of potentially serious electrical accidents. The scanner also offers flexible measurement options. While in metal detection mode, a long press of the power button allows switching between centimeters and inches, catering to different user preferences. Additionally, a silent mode can be activated or deactivated during foreign object detection to suit different work environments. The QT160 wall scanner includes 3 specialized detection modes. Metal detection mode identifies metal objects within walls and can distinguish magnetic metals. Foreign body detection mode is designed to locate wooden beams and water pipes under materials such as gypsum or wood boards. AC detection mode ensures safe handling by detecting live electrical wires concealed within walls. With its intelligent design, intuitive operation, and comprehensive detection capabilities, the R&D QT160 wall scanner is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require precise, safe, and efficient wall scanning. Next up, at number 4, we have the Noyafa NF-517 wall scanner. The Noyafa NF-517 wall scanner is a versatile tool designed to make wall scanning and drilling more precise and efficient. Equipped with a live AC power cable detect mode, it allows users to safely detect live wires inside walls, providing an added layer of security before any drilling or renovation work. The device's highly sensitive sensor ensures accurate positioning, helping users locate the exact center of a detected area. When the scanner reaches this center position, a clear signal indicator bar appears on the screen, confirming precise alignment. The HD LCD display delivers clear, easy-to-read results, allowing users to monitor the scanning process in real time. Fast response times further enhance efficiency, giving instant feedback during use. For quiet environments, the device features a one-press mute mode, which can be activated or deactivated with a simple short press, making it suitable for office or residential settings. Designed as a 3-in-1 wall scanner, the NF-517 is capable of detecting studs, live wires, and other conventional materials, making it ideal for walls, ceilings, and floors. Its multifunctional capability simplifies drilling tasks, providing precise guidance for any scenario. Compact yet robust, the Noyafa NF-517 combines safety, precision, and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable detection and accurate positioning in every project. This wall scanner stands out for its combination of accuracy, visibility, and versatility, ensuring that every drill is placed exactly where it needs to be, minimizing mistakes and maximizing efficiency. Taking the third spot is the UNI-T UT387E wall scanner. The UNI-T UT387E wall scanner is a versatile tool designed for precise detection and measurement in construction and renovation projects. It excels at detecting multiple materials, including wood, alternating current, and metals, providing a comprehensive solution for wall inspection. With its ability to measure wood moisture, it offers additional functionality beyond standard detection, making it a valuable device for ensuring material integrity. Equipped with multiple measurement modes, the UT-387E supports single, continuous, and area measurements, alongside single and double Pythagorean calculations for accurate distance and height assessments. Users can switch between different units and perform cumulative addition or subtraction, allowing for flexible measurement tracking and detailed project calculations. The device stores up to 30 groups of historical measurement data, helping users maintain organized records of their work. Powered by a 300 mAh lithium battery and featuring Type-C USB direct charging, the UT-387E ensures convenience and consistent power supply on the job site. Its multi-material detection capability and depth detection make it suitable for various applications, from simple distance measurements to complex wall assessments. Combining distance and area measurement with wall detection, this single device serves multiple purposes, streamlining the process for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The UNI-T 387E wall scanner delivers accuracy, versatility, and efficient data management in a compact design, making it an essential tool for anyone who requires reliable detection and measurement in construction, renovation, or inspection tasks. Its multifunctional features and user-friendly operation provide practical solutions for both everyday projects and specialized work. Coming in at number 2 is the GVDA GD210C wall scanner. The GVDA GD210C wall scanner is a versatile tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need precise measurements and detection in construction, renovation, or installation projects. Combining multiple functions in a compact device, it serves as a laser distance meter capable of accurately measuring distances from 0.05 to 40 meters without a reflector, with a precision of plus or minus 5 millimeters. Users can choose between meters, inches, and feet for convenient unit selection, and measurements are completed in as little as 0.3 seconds up to 4 seconds, depending on conditions. This wall scanner also detects metals, wires, copper pipes, and AC lines hidden behind walls, making it an essential instrument for safe drilling or installation. Certain variants, like the GD210D, GD210DR, and GD210DG, offer additional features such as wooden batten detection, laser crossline projection, and an electric bubble level, expanding its utility for alignment and leveling tasks. The device is equipped with a 1.8-inch color LCD display with backlight for clear visibility even in low-light conditions, and it provides real-time voice announcements for measurement results. Users can store up to 30 sets of data, ensuring easy reference for ongoing projects. The built-in 300 mAh lithium battery supports USB charging and long operational periods, while an automatic shutdown function conserves power after approximately 5 minutes of inactivity. This device seamlessly blends accuracy, convenience, and advanced detection capabilities, meeting the demands of modern construction and home improvement projects. And finally, our top pick, the Sndway SW-6100GT wall scanner. The Sndway SW-6100GT wall scanner is a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed to make construction and renovation work more efficient and precise. Combining laser ranging and wall detection into a single device, it offers 6 core advantages that streamline tasks and enhance safety. At the heart of its functionality is the sensitivity sensor target positioning, which ensures accurate identification of materials within walls, making drilling operations smoother and reducing the risk of errors. This device supports multiple detection modes capable of identifying metals, wires, and wooden structures, allowing users to avoid potential hazards when drilling. Its deep exploration capability reaches up to 100 millimeters, making it suitable for a variety of applications in both residential and commercial settings. With precision distance measurement reaching up to 120 meters and an accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters, The SW-6100GT provides reliable readings for planning and executing projects with confidence. The compact yet powerful design of the Sndway SW-6100GT makes it a practical choice for a wide range of scenarios. Whether for indoor home improvement, outdoor construction projects, or appliance installation, this multifunctional tool adapts to various environments, ensuring work is carried out efficiently and safely. By integrating laser measurement and wall scanning into one device, it eliminates the need for multiple instruments, simplifying the workflow and saving time for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In essence, the Sndway SW-6100GT wall scanner delivers precision, safety, and convenience, establishing itself as an essential tool for modern construction, renovation, and installation projects. Its innovative features and versatile functionality make it a reliable companion for anyone seeking accuracy and efficiency in their work.